It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
Well, our older siblings were a part of 4,000, so we thought it would be fun to join 4,000 members.
Tacos, all you can eat.
We thought our scissor lift was really good, but then we realized it was very wobbly from side to side.
So we put high-strength shafts to keep it in sync.
Well, I think the most important part about our robot is probably the turntable holding the claw, because it's very efficient both during the matches and especially during programming skill.
Meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos.
We think that it's important that all students have access to a VEX robotics program because
you learn skills that you'll be using throughout your entire life.
And it's very educating to the brain.
Our Team 4000X, and we have learned that teamwork makes the dream work.
From out of the sky, tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth